Have you ever wondered what you should update before you sell your home? Well, in this episode, I'm going to tackle that question. Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you tuning in to this episode. Hey, if you're new to this show, welcome. This is a weekly show that I do where I answer questions about real estate. I share some tips, advice for home buyers, home sellers, and even homeowners who currently have a home, right? So before we dive into this though, if you haven't done this already, please follow me on social media. I have those links in the description, and hit me up on my website. It's all about therealestate.com. Fill out that pop-up to receive this episode and other valuable information in your email once a week. Now, this is great. We got a lot of information here that I'd like to share with you. This is, by the way, courtesy of Realtor Magazine. It's a great magazine where they share tips for realtors, stats, things like that, but they also share homeowner advice and stuff. And so they put together this article. It's titled what to update before selling. And I just think that I had to reference this article because it's a really great article. I'll actually link that in the description so that you can check it out. But they have a cool graph here, and we're going to dive into these things, okay? So I don't feel that these are in any particular order, although it's okay. We're gonna be sharing the type of improvement, the average cost of it, the average days on the market of the home that had this update, and then how many days it sold faster, okay, overall. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Now, I get asked this one a lot, and that's painting your kitchen cabinets. Now, if you do it yourself, the average cost is about $1,300. I'd say probably a little bit less for an average size kitchen like you would find in a starter home, okay? Average days on the market after this update was about 2, and it sold houses with repainted cabinets in the kitchen sold about 10 days faster, okay? The next one is bathroom shower remodel. This doesn't surprise me because people are picky, and they have the right to be picky when it comes to bathrooms. If the caulk is dirty, oh gosh, get rid of the caulk. You should be doing all new caulk, and you should make sure that the shower in the bath looks really good, because it's just such a personal thing. You know, you go in the bathroom, you're going in the shower naked, okay, most of you. And so what happens is if they see something disgusting, they're gonna be like, oh, that's nasty, okay? And I've had home buyers say that. So bathroom shower remodel, on average, the cost is about basically $1,043. That's probably if you do it yourself, or if you're giving some handy person you know or a friend some beers. It's gonna be more money than $1,000, but about $1,000 was the average cost. Okay, home on the market about 2.6 days. That was the average days on the market when the homes had a bathroom shower remodel. And actually, they're just talking about the shower itself. And it sold the houses sold about 9 days faster. Next one is kitchen counter upgrade. Average cost about $2,300. I believe that. Average days on the market of a home with the kitchen countertops upgraded was about 2.9 days. And then it sold about 9 days faster. Pretty interesting. Backsplash refresh, all right? Change the backsplash about $600 to $700, they state. Okay, I believe that. Again, I believe that these are DIY costs, and it's not if you were to hire someone, especially now with the labor shortage and all that fun stuff. People are expensive. But a home lasted about 3 days, average days on the market 3 days, and sold about 9 days faster, okay? Backsplashes are huge. If you don't have a backsplash, add one. Bathroom vanity upgrade. This goes back to the shower remodel that I mentioned, where people like to see new or updates in the bathrooms and kitchens and things like that. But bathroom vanity upgrade, average cost about $1,100. I believe that, especially because many home improvement stores sell a vanity that just fits right in, unless you have a unique size bathroom. Average days on the market with the bathroom vanity upgrade about 4.5 days, and then the house is sold about 7 days faster. Now, new carpet. People like to feel new carpet in a home. They don't like to see dingy carpet. It's just, usually it holds odors and things like that, okay? That's not good. Now, new carpet, average cost about $2,500, okay? Again, I believe that. Average days on the market of the home, about 5.3, and the home's sold about 7 days faster, okay? So you're kind of seeing a pattern here. Like, these are the areas that you should be focusing on to update. It's fairly inexpensive, and quite honestly, like, even if you were to hire someone to do this work, it's still inexpensive, okay? But these are the areas that you should focus on and actually update before you go to sell. You want top dollar. You don't want to just throw it. Some sellers, on a side note here, they say, well, the market is in my favor. Yeah, but you're still not going to get the most that you can get without your updates, right? So you want to update your home and focus on these areas. These are great areas. This one's huge. New paint. And actually, I'm going to combine it. So new paint, interior paint, it makes a huge difference, okay? Probably the best thing. Average cost about $3,600. I'd say that's if you hire someone, because you can do it for less for cheap, but it will take more time. Average days the home was on the market about 5.4, and the homes sold for about 7 days faster with new interior paint. When you're talking about exterior paint, talk about curb appeal. Nice exterior paint, nicely done, not sloppy gutters, things like that. Nicely done. Okay, average cost about $3,300. About average days on the market about 5.6, and then the home sold about 6 days faster. That's pretty interesting. Power wash. You won't believe how many homes that I've shown where they could use a simple power wash, and the average cost of that's about, they say, $480. You can probably get it for less, or even just do it yourself, unless you have a 2-story home. But power wash makes a big difference, especially if you have siding. Average days on the market for a home that was power washed about 5.6, and the homes typically sold 6 days faster. Okay. Last one, new laminate flooring. New flooring always feels good. Just don't go too cheap on this. They're stating the average cost is $2,500. Average days on the market with a home that has updated new laminate flooring is about 11 days, and it sold about 1 day faster. So that, laminate flooring is fairly cheap. Many times you can do that yourself as long as you do it right. Make sure that the floor is not all wavy. I've shown homes where you walk in and it's like you feel like you're all over the place. It's not a nice level surface. Okay, so these are just some of the updates. Actually, these are the major areas that you should be focusing on, right? So the kitchen cabinets, the bathroom shower, the kitchen countertop, the backsplash, refresh or adding it, bathroom vanity upgrade, new carpet, new paint, interior and exterior, power wash the house, and new laminate flooring. You can do other flooring as well, just it just depends on the area, the price point, things like that. You wouldn't want to do new laminate flooring in a $500,000 house, that's for sure. You want to up that flooring, okay? But this is, again, great information, and I know it's a lot, but I'm going to share this link to this article in the description below, and they have a cool, picture of what I just shared with you. So I hope you found this valuable. Again, my goal is to answer questions about real estate, buyers, sellers, homeowners, and share valuable information like I just did in this episode. So again, follow me on social media, hit up your favorite link in the description below, and be sure to visit my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks everyone for watching this episode of the Ask Jason Gelios Show. Be sure to visit the links in the description below to pick up your copy of my real estate book, Think Like a Realtor. It's a little book about buying and selling residential real estate through the eyes of a realtor. It's real world advice, tips, whether you're a new agent in the business or you are a home buyer or even looking to sell a home. This is great advice. So I really appreciate it if you guys visit those links, pick up your copy, and go ahead and share a review, good or bad, if you like it, if you hate it, okay? But get your copy today. Thank you.